I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Scentsy room. I am so happy to report that Deuce is doing better. He's not 100%, but he is showing small improvements each and every day, and I'm taking that as a huge win. We are still working through some of his struggles, but I'm so happy to report that he is actually doing a little bit better. So thank you guys so much for your love and support, for the thoughts and the prayers. It means the absolute world to me. If you are newer to my channel and you're wondering, who the heck is she talking about? Deuce is my dog. He is my love, he is my child, he is my life, and we're dealing with some neurological issues right now. So it's been really a tough road. I'm still living downstairs for the most part. He is resting right now, so I decided to take this opportunity to maybe record a few videos and try to get caught back up here with you guys. So thank you so much. It really has meant the world to me that you guys have taken the time to send messages and just to think about our family. So thank you so much. So today, kind of a funny story. So this box here that I have, I actually thought it was the Scent and Warmer of the Month for October. Now, I had 2 boxes delivered yesterday, and I just based the size, my guess on the size of the box, and so I figured we were going to do an unboxing together. We're still going to do an unboxing together, but as I opened up the box, I realized when I looked at my little packing slip, I was like, oh yeah, no, this is not the Scent and Warmer of the Month for October. So today we're gonna do a little Scentsy haul. So we will do that. So I'm still unboxing it, but when I saw the packing slip and I saw that it was much longer than it should have been, I thought, oh, bye, ding ding. Okay, so we're still gonna get to that. In fact, probably you will see the Scent and Warmer of the Month video first before you actually see this video. So it doesn't matter. We are going to dive into some boxes together. So, okay, let's see what we have. And to be totally honest, I kind of forgot that I had placed this order. I knew I placed a bulk order, but I don't know. I was anticipating it to come a little bit later. So I went ahead and purchased some of the holiday brochures. So this holiday collection is going to launch on October 1st. You guys, there are some fantastic things in here. So definitely keep your eye out. October 1st. We've got pods. We have all kinds of pods, you guys. So pods. I have 6 pods. One of the many things that I love that Scentsy has done recently is bundle the pods together. So it used to be that you had to just buy the pod pack as a single, and you couldn't actually bundle them, but you can actually bundle them now. You can do a 3-pack or you can do a 6-pack. The 6-pack is always the best deal because it's buying 5 and getting the 6th for free. So I grabbed a few of these. My husband is actually going camping and he's got some trips and things planned coming up. So I figured I would stock up on some of his favorites. So sea salt and avocado. This is really great. And you guys, these pods are fantastic. I cannot say enough about them. Scentsy says they last 120 hours, I believe. They last way longer, way longer. So these you will use in your Scentsy Go, you will use them in your wall fan diffusers, and you will get a crazy amount of use out of these. So essentially what they are is a little plastic container with scented beads in here, and the fan in whatever device you're using, whether it is the wall fan diffuser or whether it is the Scentsy Go, there's a little fan on the bottom that's going to push the fragrance up and out for you to enjoy. These things are so strong, you guys. It is so good. I love them. So I got sea salt and avocado, black raspberry vanilla, always a good staple to have. Amazon Rain, this is definitely for him. This is not my cup of tea, only because, well, I may give it another shot. When we first launched our cleaning products, I got everything in Amazon Rain because I really liked it. I do still really like it, but it just kind of reminds me of like cleaning our furniture and things. So I'm like, I really like it though. So Amazon Rain. Blue Grotto is definitely a favorite of his. Coconut lemongrass. And aloe water and cucumber. Probably his all-time favorite is aloe water and cucumber. So, ooh, that's still pretty strong. So we'll see how this one performs, because it is, I'd say, it always smells like it's gonna be light. In wax form, in the dish soap, it always smells like it's going to be a lighter scent. It's lighter in the fact that it's not like in your face, but it's actually like the performance is really, really amazing. I would say this is probably one of the better performers, especially for a cleaner scent. So I think this is not going to disappoint in the pod pack either. So got 6 of those. Set those off to the side. I got all kinds of bulbs because my girlfriends are hitting me up. They're like, Lisa, I need bulbs. So I always tend to have bulbs on hand. If you are a consultant yourself, tip number 1, always have bulbs on hand. Have a 3-pack or however many of each size. That way when your friends see you and they're like, oh, that's right, I need some more bulbs, you say, don't fear, I've got your bulbs. So I've got bulbs, 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 because my friends are cleaning me out. And then I grabbed some car fragrances. So let's see what we've got here. So I grabbed a few of the car bar clips. These are so cool, you guys. For those of you who don't like things dangling from your mirror and you prefer the actual car fragrance options that clip to your vent, this is going to be for you. It's a car bar clip. So you have this little hole on the back of your car bar. You will put the little clip, attach it to the car bar, put it on your vent, and enjoy. You don't have to use both of them if you don't want to. You can. If you like your scent really strong, you can use both of them, but they are sealed separately. So I don't know if you can see that or not. They are sealed separately, so if you want to use one at a time, you absolutely can. I think these are $9 each. Let me just make sure. This is a new product, so let's take a gander. Car bar clips, $9, and it's for both of them. So if you want to just use one at a time, you can. Or if you like your car fragrance really strong, you can use both. So I got that in Luna. I also have it in Black Raspberry Vanilla. I thought I got it in one other scent too. Nope, looks like I just got it in the 2. So that's awesome there. I grabbed some car bars, regular car bars that hang from your mirror. So I grabbed pumpkin roll. Did I grab more than one pumpkin roll? I thought I did. Nope. So I grabbed pumpkin roll, cider mill, pumpkin cinnamon swirl. It's gonna be smelling like all kinds of fall goodness in my car. Welcome home. Vanilla bean buttercream and snowberry. So this was also another 6-pack, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. The 6-packs are really the best. It's the best possible deal. So I grabbed those. And also 6 scent circles. So once again, pumpkin roll, apple cinnamon sticks, winterberry apple tea, apple cherry strudel, pumpkin cinnamon swirl. This is like my favorite pumpkin scent, you guys. Coconut lemongrass and black raspberry vanilla. What I love about some of these is that, let's see if I can, some of these actually have a different design on the back. So black raspberry vanilla, on the back of it, it says, "You are berry special." How cute is that? And then coconut lemongrass has, "When life gives you lemongrass." Super cute. I think the other ones are just plain though. Not that there's anything wrong with that, yeah. Yep. So got the scent circles. I've got my car fragrance totally covered. So we're good there. Okay, what is next? More of the holiday brochures. And next are fragrance flower. Super excited. We got this in, what scent did we get? What scent? Aloe, water, and cucumber. Did I do that for both? I sure did. I love the fragrance flower. If you did not have a chance to see that video, definitely, I will link it down below. These are beautiful. I'm actually going to do a follow-up on the fragrance flower and what my thoughts are on it. I really love it for the bathroom. I think for a bedroom or a larger area, it's gonna get kind of lost, but in a smaller, either a smaller room or a bathroom, it is perfect. I love it. So I got 2 of these in aloe, water, and cucumber for our bathrooms. So love that. And then last but not least, we have a Mylar pouch because it's still 100 degrees here in California. So, and we just have the 3 oh, I got the Harvest collection. Okay, cool. So I got the Harvest collection of bars. I actually had already gotten a couple of packs of these, but you can never have too much of this. The one I have going downstairs right now is Cinnamon Roasted Pear. I'm pretty happy with this one. I did wind up warming Huckleberry Apple Pie. It's kind of a womp womp for me, but we'll get into more details when I do the, like my what I've been warming video. So, so far, Cinnamon Roasted Pear is the better performer, but I haven't given Apple Cherry Cider a try yet. So this is the 3-pack of the Harvest collection bar bundle. So that's it, right? That's it. Yeah, that's just an ice pack. Perfect. This day has been crazy. I go to open the box and I think it's one thing, and then it's a surprise haul. So surprise. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Let me know if you have given a try any of these items, if you have given a try the car bar clips, if you have tried our fragrance flower, or what your favorite pods are. I want to hear from you. I want to hear what your favorite thing is from the new catalog. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.